The system is like that. Now, this is especially for those who did not come last day. Now only 2 topics left. Can you please tell me the order in which we learn testing? Anyone who attended last day, can you please tell me the order in which we learn testing? Come on, if you tell me, it will be like what you call very useful for everyone. That's why. Look at this. You have to learn 7 different testing methods. Come on, at least tell me the first name. Otherwise, I'll be literally
single mean, single proportion. Double mean, double
very good, very good. Slowly. What's the first one?
Single mean.
And then?
Double mean.
Single proportion.
And then?
The 2 mean.
And then?
2 proportion.
And then? This one we did not study, but today I'm going to teach you that more than
2
mean. And here more than, that is what we are going to study right now. Yeah, more than 2 proportion. And the last one is called test of independence. Now, someone else tell me, in single mean, how many categories did we learn?
2.
Large and small. In 2 mean, how many different categories did we study?
3.
Come on. Someone tell me, please.
Large, small, and
T.
And in single proportion, there is no classification. It will be always set calculated. In 2 proportion, also same thing. It will be always set calculated. And up to this, I told you one more thing. If you see greater than or less than, significance level will be alpha. If you see not equal to, significance level will be, come on, answer please.
Alpha by 2.
Yeah, alpha by 2. Great. Okay. Now we are going to learn the last 3, like what you call. The first one is called ANOVA. What do you call the first one? Or it will be called F-test. And this is called chi-squared. How do you pronounce? CHI, chi-squared. And the same test here, chi-squared. And one more thing, like what you call, once more I'm repeating, this Friday in your assessment exam, you must expect 1 ANOVA and 1 chi-squared. I'll ask for sure, I'm repeating, whoever attended today's class will be benefited with 3 problems. 1 question, I'll ask that sampling mean that we did just now. The second question will be of ANOVA. The third question will be of chi-squared. Okay, now let's start. Can one of you please click a picture of this and put it in the group? Later it might be useful. I kept videos, etc. Later you can use those things, but still.
So when I grow up, I'll get independence.
What?
Independence?
You already have independence.
No, when I grow up.
Okay, can you please copy this question? Or I think you have the book already, right? That workbook. You can take page number 58. If you don't have that workbook, please, like what you call, copy the question. Once more, Sushmita, can you tell me the test in order? What is the first test that we learned? Single,
Single mean.
then single,
Proportion.
then two mean,
Two
two
mean,
proportion.
proportion.
And
More
what
than
is the
two mean.
what are the last things that we are learning today? More than
than
two
two
mean.
mean. More than
Yeah.
two
And what's
proportion.
the test for more than two mean called?
ANOVA. F test.
And the full word for ANOVA is analysis of variance.
Analysis of variance. Variance.
There are two, three methods to do this. I'll teach you one method, and my personal opinion is learn only one method. Don't get yourself confused in exam. You can learn any method from the book. All the methods are accepted by the university, but learn one single method. If you like it, you can follow me. Otherwise, you can check any guide. You may get another method or the same method. You can check YouTube videos. You may get, but stick to one method. Otherwise, in examination, you'll be in total confusion.
We always follow you, sir.
Yeah, no need to do that. Don't even, like, what do you call, choose the method that you like. Math is not one person's property, right? Anyone which you like. Yeah. Okay, now look at this. How many different categories are we checking here?
3.
Yeah, by the way, here they are the drying formulae. Drying formula means it is in paint, it is in glue, because once you apply, it has to dry, right? So they will add something called drying compound, etc., etc. You learn such things in chemistry. Anyway, Formula 1, like what you call, they have tested many samples. So something dries in 13. I don't know whether it is minute or 13 hours or 13 seconds or 13 microseconds, whatever. So how many different products are here?
3.
3.
Okay, so I'm going to write like this. K equal to 3. Please start writing. K is equal to 3. Look at this. I'm not going to teach you any logic here, just the method. Just a plain method. Please study that. You'll get mark. When you go into research field, you don't even have to worry about it. Like what you call, all the answers will come like a, last time I was showing some of the students, like just as an output. Okay, now remember the null hypothesis will be all.
Sir, why some value are missing there?
Yeah, practically it's like that. Come on, practically the data will be like that. We cannot expect that N1, N2, N3 are equal. Asmit, you missed last Friday's class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we already did some problems like this. And alternative hypothesis will be not all are equal.
Well, can we put 0 there?
No, you should not. You should not. You should not. You should not. That is like providing wrong data, right? Wrong information. That means your drying formula will, you apply it and it will dry. Remember, in ANOVA test, what will be the null hypothesis for all the problems?
Equal.
Equal.
In examination, they can ask with K equal to 3 or K equal to 4 or even up to 5. Normally, they ask 3 or 4. And what is the alternative hypothesis?
Not equal.
Yeah. Now, step number 2, as always. Come on, what is step number 2? The easiest step.
Level of significance.
And whether it is given or not, it's 5%. Okay, now comes the difficult part, calculation. So can you tell me all the data values of x1? I'm calling them x1, x2, x3, If there are 4 categories, what will you do, Asmit? It will be like x1, x2, x3, and
X4.
yeah. And in between, you should write x1 minus x1 bar whole square, x2 minus.
X2, X2 minus X2 bar whole square, X3
Yeah.
minus X, X3 minus X4.
Yeah. Now, can you please tell me what is sigma x1? Come on, Pravesh, tell me, please.
13, 23, 23, कर 34, 8, 8.
Add them, please.
Okay, sir, what is going on? 24.
Others also, please
Okay,
keep the
50, sir.
videos on. How much?
Maybe 50, sir.
Not maybe. There is nothing called maybe in calculations.
50, sir, 50.
Yeah. So what does arithmetic mean? 50 by 5, how much?
10.
10.
Now you'll be able to fill the second column. What is 13 minus arithmetic mean? The whole square. What is 13 minus 10?
3 square 9.
10 minus 10?
0.
8 minus 10 squared. 11 minus 10 squared. 8 minus 10 squared. Nothing.
This way. Easy, sir.
How much?
Sir, 8, sir. 9, 4, 4, 1, 5, 5, 4, 9, 9, and 18, sir.
Come on, now tell me x2. Someone fill x2, please.
13, 11, 14, 14.
How much?
14, 14. 14, 14.
No information, no information.
No information, sir.
Come on. Others also answer. Suman, Sumit, Subhash, answer, please.
How much one is 52?
Square bound, no, sir. 52.
13. 52
So
and 30.
arithmetic mean is.
52.
Okay, now
Sorry,
you'll be
13.
able to answer the fourth column. Come on, 13 minus 13 square.
0.
11 minus 13
Oh.
square.
1, 1.
Oh.
So easy, sir.
Yeah, it's easy. You learn the procedure. It's a little bit long.
Easy but long, sir. Yes.
Yeah, and the good news is they keep on repeating either ANOVA or chi-square. But I wish your batch gets both in the same question paper, because like unlike other testing methods, you don't have to think too much here. No need to use your brain. Just learn the method, do it. You'll get mark.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Last one also, please read.
4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 4,
4,
1,
1,
3, 4, 2, 4.
6 items.
Sorry, 14, 8, 12,
6,
12, sir. 18.
18 and 3.
So
3, sir.
4 minus 3, 1 minus
1,
3,
4,
3 minus
0,
3, 4 minus
1, 1,
3.
1.
Yes, sir.
8. 8.
Nice.
All of you got the same answer or not? Please confirm it. If anything goes wrong, you're just wasting time in exam. Please be aware of that. Make 100% sure your calculations are correct. Now write one by one. What is capital N? Population size. The total size.
15. So, look.
K we already wrote, right?
3.
In examination, please expect K can be 3 or 4 or even up to 5. Normally, it will be 3 and 4. What is N1?
And 1, 5, and 2, 4, and 3, 6.
Please find the combined mean.
8.
What's the combined mean?
8.
I want to explain these terms, but it's simply waste of time for you. This SS actually stands for sum of squares. And ET stands for treatment. And E stands for error. Okay, now I'll teach you how to write this SST. Please, all of you look at this. What is N1? Can someone tell me what is N1?
5.
Put a bracket and tell me what is the difference between X1 bar and combined mean.
Section 2.
Now, Asmit, can you tell me what is N2? N2, second one.
Oh,
Tell me the difference between X2 bar
13
and
minus
X bar.
8. 13 minus 8.
Now, repeat the last one with same process.
7 minus 8. Treatment happening.
What is the answer?
270.
Jessica, what's the answer?
3 square 4 parts of 3 square. This looks so sorry.
She left already.
270, sir.
Someone else also answer. Nitish.
270.
Okay, now SSC means just add these red color things. SSC means add the red color things. So what will you get? 18 plus 6 plus 8.
That's somewhere like this. 32. 32, sir.
How much?
32.
Okay, now comes the bad news. You have to by heart this table. Look at this. You have to by heart this ANOVA table. There is no other option because like what you call the teacher who is going to check is not going to check anything you wrote till now. They will directly jump to this ANOVA table. So you have to by heart this table.
Sir, if we only copy the ANOVA table, how much marks we get?
No. You have to by heart it.
In exams, sir, we copy from other if what? Only ANOVA table, sir.
No, Smith, like what you call, you will study. I'm sure about that.
Just a question, sir.
So can you please once more someone take a screenshot? This is the standard ANOVA table. You have to by heart it. Someone please screenshot it. Okay, shall we go back to the question? All of you please look at that Viber and tell me one by one, what should we write in degree of freedom? Asmit, this Friday you're going to write this, so you can study now itself. Come on.
K minus 1. 3
What's
minus
that?
1.
Yeah, k minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next one. 15 minus 3.
12.
Now look at this. Can you see the next one? Sum of squares. So sum of squares of, please read the first one. You already found that 200 and how much? You told me something, 200 and?
70.
270.
Now sum of squares for error.
SSE 32.
Yeah. Now it will be called mean sum of squares. MSST. Mean sum of error.
MST.
It's very simple. All you have to do is divide these two.
135.
Now 32 by 12.
2.67.
2.67.
Okay, now here we write F calculated. Similarly, we did, do you remember T calculated, Z calculated? Here we will get something called F calculated. That is actually variance by variance. So how much do we get? 135 by 2. How much?
50.56.
50 point how much? Can you tell me once more?
56.
50.56.
56. Okay, that's it. This is the difficult part. Now same thing. Can you please tell me, do you remember last week when we, not last, 2 days before when we wrote the theory, did you notice that the graph of F distribution and chi-square looked like this? So basically you have to understand these are positive distributions. It is made up of variance and variance. Variance means standard deviation squared. So it has only one tail. It has only one tail. So you don't have to think about alpha by 2, nothing. So what we do is draw the graph. And can you take F table? I'll try to get a better table for you. This table that I send. Nishal, I showed you the standard table. Someone has like what you call kept it in your Viber group. Nishal, very simple. 135 by, divide these two. Divide this and this, Nishal. Now please open your statistic tables. When they provide the tables in your examination, they will provide very, very neat tables. So it will be mentioned on the top. Can you see in one table it is written numerator, denominator like that?
Sir,
Yeah, ask please.
sir, how to calculate F cal?
F calculated means
Please show again, sir, that.
can you read? F calculated is means MST by MSC.
MST by MSC.
I think someone has already took a screenshot and kept it there.
Sir, but 135 by 2.67.
Ask.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now take the tables, please. You'll see in one table it is marked numerator and denominator. Can you find a table in which it is marked numerator and denominator? In
Yes, sir.
examination, don't worry, they will provide very neat tables. If I get one good copy, I'll send it to you. Can you tell me the degree of freedom of numerator and denominator? Numerator means like what you call Mapico column.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it written 2? And denominator is 12. Can you see? And can you tell me where does it coincide?
3.8853.
Go down, down, down here. Can you see?
3.8853.
3.8853.
Yeah, the print is horrible, but can you see that? 3 point?
8853.
Handsome or
के भन्छ
3 point. Once more, tell me, please.
3.8853.
So please write F tab.
sir, we should make this graph, sir.
Yeah, you have to. Come on, come on, come on. Till now, in every problem, we did graph.
Okay, sir.
If you tell me where to write reject and accept, it will be like really, really nice.
Okay, sir.
And that's it. Now you decide. You make the decision.
Reject.
Is it reject H naught or accept H naught?
So what's the points of significance then?
What's that, Pravesh?
The significance 5%.
Where do we need that significance?
Actually, the table they provide will be of 5%. Like what you call the whole table is designed for 5%. You don't have to worry. It's their headache. They will provide a table along with the corresponding significance. This whole table is designed for 5%. They will either give the one for 5% or 1%, or they will provide the values. Don't worry about that part. They will give everything. Come on, come on, come on. So where's the location of the calculated value? Sumit, tell me please, accept H naught or reject H naught? Subhash, Nidish, what are you planning to do? Accept H naught or reject H naught?
Reject.
Reject, sir.
Yeah, reject H naught. That means what are you going to agree with? With whom are you going to agree with?
H1 alternative.
That means the drying time is different for different products. That is, we are 95% confident that the drying time is different for different products. Let's do one question from the question paper so that you'll be confident. Then we'll go to the last method for in the syllabus itself.
Sir,
Yeah, ask please.
will the level of significance always be 5%?
No, it depends on what table they're planning to provide us, Smith.
If not given, then 5%.
Yeah, if not given, go for 5%.
Okay, sir.
Let's do one question.
But we don't need level of significance here, right?
What is that, Pradeep?
But we don't need level of significance here in this question, right?
No. The table itself will be. It's not in your control actually. Okay, let's do this question. Do it. What do you call Cheeto. Question number 10. Take maximum 10 minutes. Maximum 10 minutes. Because we have to complete one more method, and that's it. And today I'll give you a lot, give you one work actually. Please do it today itself. Please do all the questions from ANOVA and chi-squared from that, handbook, that book. And do it little bit fast. I have one more class at 8 o'clock. So let's maximum 10 minutes. Those who missed last class, please message me. I'll send you the videos. Or you just go through the playlist. You'll find all the videos in order. So what is H naught here, Asmith? Is K equal to 3 or K equal to 4?
Oh, sir. 3, sir. 3. Deluxe fine ordinary.
So what will be H naught? Mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3. What will be H1? Not all are same.
Required. All are same.
Alpha is 5%. So you know the table, right? What's the table? X1 minus x1 bar whole squared, x2 minus x2 bar whole squared, x3 minus x3 bar whole squared, please tell me once you're ready with SST and SSC. Amrut, what happened? Something wrong? Amrut, can you ask? Like, is something wrong? Amrut, can you hear me? Amrut, are you okay or not?
Yes, sir. I am okay, sir.
Yeah. A previous class, I'll send it in a minute. 1 minute. Anyone who got SST? It will be really nice if you can tell me x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar, n1, n2, n3, and combined mean. Can someone tell me one by one what is x1 bar?
16.5.
How much?
16.5.
x2 bar?
X2 bar 16.25.
x3 bar?
16.75.
I'll send you the first video in that playlist. You can follow the number 16, 17, etc., etc. Just keep on. What does combined mean? Come on, come on, come on. What's the combined mean? Sushmita?
Doing.
Today 75% girls bunked the class. Only you're left, Sushmita. Suman, please inform them this exam, this Friday's exam, there will be one question from whatever we learned today, like what you call 111, 3 questions. One from sampling distribution, one from ANOVA, one from chi-squared.
Okay, sir.
In case you're not able to understand, please go through the videos. Ryan also left, or is he still here? Ryan, right? Ryan.
I am here, sir.
Yeah, keep the video on. Otherwise, you'll be busy in mobile.
Combined mean is 16.5.
Others, answer. Asmit, are you getting same answer?
16.5, sir.
Yes, sir. 16.5.
Anyone with SST? Anyone?
243.5.
How much?
243.5.
Are you sure?
So can you show the formula SST?
16.5
I got 0.5 actually. That's why.
Please take some mistake.
minus 16.5.
What do you call, Sushmita? The formula goes like this: N1 into
7.5
x1 bar minus x.
0.5.
Yeah, 0.5. That's correct. Sushmita, look at this: plus N2 into x2 bar minus x bar squared plus N3 into x3 bar minus x bar squared. So the first one will, yeah.
I got, sir.
Anyone with SSE?
52.5.
SSE, others, Suman, how much?
52.5.
52.5.
If I'm not wrong. So the condition is accepted.
Yeah, how much did you get? F calculated. Someone tell me what is F calculated?
0.042.
0.0428.
Yeah, that means accept H naught. And what is the degree of freedom here?
2,9.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Accept H naught. Shall we go for the last type now?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for the last type? Once more, can you please read the screen? I hope you're clear with the classification. Single mean, single proportion, two mean, two proportion, more than two mean, more than two proportion, and a special test called test of independence of attributes. Now we have come to the last one, more than two proportion and test of independence of attributes. Both are same, same process. The only difference that you'll see is in the degree of freedom. That formula will be slightly different. Okay, so shall I directly go to that? By the way, the question they ask regularly is test of independence. Two proportion, more than two proportion, they never ask. They always ask test of independence. And once they even ask something called goodness of fit. For goodness of fit, I'll send you the video. That is like what you call same process. If you're interested, you learn at the last minute, complete everything in statistics. And still, if you get time, you can study that goodness of fit. Okay, once more, let's go for the last test. It is called more than two proportion or chi-squared or test of independence, same thing, chi-squared.